Jochiw thieth e kaunti ma Machakos obuogo dhi ng'anyo e thuolo mar ndalo 7 mabiro. Jochiw thieth go mawuok e bwo riwruoge mopogore kamoting'o KMPDU, KNUN ka e kin mamoko wacho ni kwayo magi en ni tend kaunti no osegore Luanda. Kotelnegi kod jakom mar riwruok mar lakteche KMPDU bade ma Lower Eastern Laktar Charles Okumu, jochiw thieth go wacho ni gisechiwo notice jumbe 2 ne tend kaunti no ka achiedh nade maduong' ma gin godo en rem medo jochiw thieth lemo mag tije. Lakteche go bende yuago nok mar yedhe kod masinde gima miyo jotuo kalo e matek ka thieth.
Tulipeana makataa ya siku 21 mnamo tarehe 26 mwezi wa Juni, na tulipeana makataa kwa sababu ya changamoto ambazo tumekuwa tukizipata tunapoendelea na wajibu wetu wa kutekeleza kazi zetu. Mojawapo ya changamoto ambazo tunazo kwanza ni kukosa kupandishwa ngazi kwa miaka mingi. Kuna ambao wamefanya kazi wakiwa katika ngazi ile moja kwa zaidi ya miaka 10 wakilipwa mishahara duni.
Actually, people have stayed without promotion for more than 10 years. You can imagine, stagnating in the same job group, you can see the cost of living, so we left with no other options. So we are going to approach and use the strike to pursue for our rights.
Today we are on day 6 of that countdown, and very soon, without a serious, meaningful engagement from the same county government that we have now engaged for over 1 year plus, without any tangible result, then it is unfortunate. And our members have given us a very stern warning that they shall take themselves to strike, even without our command, come 6 days at the elapse of these 21 days. So that's our message today. With me here are all the union officials for the various healthcare workers.